So the next step, documentation, is documenting what occurred from that point. If an individual's got an injury, something that requires medical treatment or something that prevents them from performing the functions of their job, they're going to seek medical treatment. They're going to be treated and have that condition addressed. So we've got to have medical evidence, medical documentation to substantiate their complaints, their continuing complaints, their need for treatment as advised by a medical professional, and then some indication that their need for treatment and the injuries that they have prevent them in some way from performing the functions of their job. So once we've verified and can establish that some injury or some condition arose as a result of the conditions of employment, we then got to have documentation evidencing that, okay, now there was some treatment that was provided to address that particular condition, and medical evidence includes an opinion from a medical professional then saying, well, while they're getting this treatment or until we've completed this treatment, they're restricted in some fashion from performing the regular functions of their job. From there, we would move on to preservation, because once we are able to verify a claim, once we're able to have that documentation to establish that there was treatment that was medically necessary, that there was a disability resulting from the injury or condition, we're able to preserve the claim. We can then get in, file a claim with the Department of Labor, and preserve their entitlement to benefits. And that may depend, once a claim's filed, if we're able to get documentation to see if the employer or the insurance company on their end filed any necessary documents that might foreclose our ability to pursue a claim. But if we've got verification, if we've got documentation, then we can probably preserve their rights and preserve their entitlement to benefits, even if this is something that may have happened 3, 4, 5 years ago. You might have a condition that might be ongoing, something that requires treatment over a number of years. We might be talking about something where the individual was injured 5 years ago, received treatment for a period of 6 to 9 months and went back to work. There may still be a claim for that 6 to 9 month period in which they may have been out of work and getting medical treatment. If we've got verification and we've got documentation, we can probably preserve their entitlement and their right to benefits for whatever appropriate periods might be, that their claim might address.